Welcome back to our channel. Question 15 is about molecules is non-polar. So look at all these at the bond, covalent bond. They have different electronegativity, so they must be polar unless they have some symmetry. Okay, and the non-polar thing cancel out each other. Way. Symmetry. Okay, so look at them. So first of all, think about whether they have any lone pairs for XES. Two, you remember yes, three lone pair. Three lone pair, okay. For IF5, one lone pair. SF2, a two lone pair. So remember you have learned already. For PF3, yeah, also one lone pair. After that, think about what is their structure for XE. FE, I remember XE is inside, FE is top and bottom, right? So the other three lone pair is here. For IF5, I is in the center, so 5 F bond together with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the lone pair is here. Okay. So SF2R V shape, V shape. Tetrahedric. PF also tetrahedric. Okay. So after drawing the structure out, do you see any symmetry such that the non-polarity, but the polarity will disappear? Not symmetric, right? The lone pair is here. Not symmetric. The lone pair is there. Not symmetric. The lone pair is there. This is symmetric. You see, all the lone pair are on the trigonal plane and up and down are F. So the polarity there, delta plus and delta minus cancel each other just outside. Okay, so you can't see any polarity as a molecule as a whole. So the answer is B. A. So you got it? Well done. See you for next question. Bye.